Clarence in Wonderland. I had a dream and I know you'll understand. Riding up the beach, it only took a moment. Along came a lady looking for amusement. She came up to me and everything was smiling. And then she said something sounded like a violin. Let's go to my chateau. We could have a good time drinking lots of sky wine. Miss Juliet Kate, queen of the moon. We're gonna get there soon, gonna get there soon, there's no doubt about it. Miss Juliet Kate, queen of the moon. We're gonna get there soon, gonna get there soon. Miss Juliet Kate, queen of the moon in June. And this tune, we're gonna get there soon.
I'm going back to be young again, to find the time to develop my mind and be kind, to really see, to really hear, to really live, to really love and be kind.
Well, she lives all alone in a house by a pool. She wears fur coats and hats and old-fashioned jewels, and her one aim in life to be on the screen, top billing with ballet, her favorite dream. So once a year, Granny takes a trip, always first class, and she's well equipped for the movie auditions in Hollywood town. She always turns up, but she's always turned down. Well, one day on the screen, Granny's bound to be seen. If she turns up again, she's bound to find fame. So, Granny, my dear, we all wish you the best, and know that you'll find your happiness. So once a year, Granny takes a trip, always first class, and she's well equipped for the movie auditions in Hollywood town. She always turns up, but she's always turned down.